It's alright, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Guys, it's been a long day, and I'm very sorry for not posting video for you guys. Today, guys, in this video, we'll be looking on how to edit a map on your Google My Business. How you can make and edit a suggestion to a map on Google My Business. Most of you might be like, okay, I know how to do a suggestions to maps on Google My Business, but how will I make an edit? I want to suggest an edit about the map on Google My Business. How will I do it on the Google Map? So guys, I'm here to show you it to you. So all you have to do is to watch this video to the end to understand. Map, as you can see. Now guys, to make a suggestion, you all know the right thing to do, like to make an edit. You just go through the area that you want, and then you're just gonna click on the area that you want on the map, and then you just click on make a suggestion, like how you guys already know. But to make an edit to the map, it doesn't go like that, guys. You have to come into this three dots menu over here, then scroll down to the edit map all over here. Now clicking on the edit map will pop up some things for you guys, and you'll be able to choose which edit you really want to make to the Google Map. So as you can see all over here, here is a missing address, missing place, missing wrong information, your opinion about the map. So over here you're gonna choose the right one for you. So for here, if you are making a change into the Google Map, maybe about the address, about the map, you're gonna click on this missing place. So over here you will have the chance to write the address that you think is very okay for you. Maybe there's a mistake when the business is being corrected, and you've got to suggest the edit to the owner, or make Google understand that there is an mistake about this business. So you can suggest over here, then you can just write the business name over here. You can write the name as, let's say, YT Training, then pick up a category for it. Choose a category for it. I'm gonna choose any category. So you're gonna choose the category you want. So over here I'll be choosing the food and drink category, just an example for us guys, and then just choose a bakery as an example. So over here, then you'll be able to input your address all over here, and then if you input the address, you can add some pictures about the place, so that you'll be able to tell Google that okay, this business is to tell Google that okay, I am right about what I'm trying to tell you guys. So guys, this is all I have to show you in this video. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel if this video have helped you a little, and in my next video we'll be talking on something else, maybe at the Google My Business or on something else as well. Thank you guys, and I see you in my next video. Till then, stay home and stay safe.